Good morning guys, Rich here from the King's Log. Just thought I'd do a bit of a different video today. A few of you know I'm into my gaming, so I have something turned up in the post, which I think you guys might be interested in. So let's do an unboxing video. So here we have the box from Game. This should have arrived yesterday. This is Saturday the 4th of March. This should have arrived yesterday. There's been quite a bit of controversy about the delivery company that Game use, so now I've got the box open, let's have a look, see what's inside. Can you tell what it is yet? So guys, we have the Nintendo Switch. Yay! Let's open it up. Oh. So tiny! Okay, so what do we have here then? The screen. Now, in comparison, I'll just get my Samsung S7 Edge. For comparisons. Samsung S7. Nintendo Switch. So nice. The Joy-Con. Another Joy-Con. Slip loop out for his arm. Oh, it's a good clip. Ooh. First layer. Or many of you may know in the UK, layer. Little bits for the Joy-Cons. Another one there. This must be the dock. This dock again in comparison to a Samsung S7 Edge. Diddy. Wee diddy diddy. Oh. Joy-Con grip. Manual. HDMI cable. And an AC adapter. There you have it guys, Nintendo Switch unboxing. Hope you enjoyed.